Do you know about instant loans? Imagine you need money badly and you can get a loan at the click of a button. Yes, with the help of peer-to-peer lending platforms and quick loans based on applications, you can get a loan almost instantly. The entire process of applying for a loan and submitting related documents is done online. This eliminates the need for paperwork and multiple bank visits. Digital lending offers short-term, secured or unsecured loans, or even deferrals like buy now, pay later. Isn't that really convenient? Well, digital lending has developed rapidly and has reached diverse segments previously not served by traditional banks. But be careful. Digital lending can be shadowed with online frauds, mis-selling, deceptive interest rates, harassment and humiliation due to repayment default. This is not all. Some lending apps even invade your smartphones by installing malwares and access your mobile data, including your contact numbers, photos, personal messages, etc. And in case of default, such digital lenders even call the persons present in the contact list to defame and harass the borrower. The Reserve Bank of India has released digital lending guidelines to protect customers from such unfair practices. Here are some key points for you to know about digital lending. Data privacy. Digital lending platforms should collect data about borrowers only with their prior and explicit consent. The digital lending apps must not access mobile phone resources like files and media, contact lists, call logs, etc. However, they are allowed to have a one-time access to the camera, microphone, location, or any other facility that is necessary for onboarding or KYC requirements. And this must be accessed only with the explicit consent of the borrower. Cooling off period. The Reserve Bank of India provides a cooling off period for digital loans. This means that the digital lending platform or service provider must provide an explicit option to the borrowers to exit the digital loan when they do not wish to continue with the same within a fixed period. The borrower would only have to pay the principal and the proportionate annual percentage rate of interest without any penalty. Harassment. In the matter of recovery of loan, the digital lending apps and service platforms must not resort to undue harassment, like persistently borrowing the borrowers at odd hours or using muscle power for loan recovery. Grievance redressal. The lending service providers or digital lending apps must have a nodal grievance redressal officer to deal with digital lending complaints. And contact details of such grievance officers must be prominently displayed on the websites of the digital lending service providers. Complaint escalation. If any borrower has complained regarding digital lending, it must be resolved within a stipulated time of 30 days. If it is not resolved, the borrower can complain on the Complaint Management System portal under the Reserve Bank Integrated Ombudsman Scheme. If the digital lending service provider is not registered with the Ombudsman, then the complaint may be lodged as per the grievance redressal mechanism prescribed by the Reserve Bank.